Welcome to this technical guide on choosing your solar path, focusing on on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid systems for electricians, engineers, and homeowners. First, let's understand system architecture, how energy flows from the solar panels through conversion equipment to the load or your home. We define the three core systems: grid-tied connection, which is linked to the utility; standalone independence, which is entirely off-grid; and hybrid systems, which combine grid connectivity with local battery storage. On-grid is the economical entry, featuring low initial capital expense and net metering. Its limitation is the mandatory anti-islanding shutdown during grid failures. Off-grid provides true energy freedom, offering total autonomy, but requires mandatory deep-cycle batteries and complex system sizing, resulting in a high initial cost. Hybrid systems offer resilience and flexibility, with features like uninterrupted power, load shifting for peak hour consumption, grid interaction, and smart control from integrated inverters. Comparing the systems. On-grid is the lowest cost but lacks backup power. Off-grid is the highest cost with mandatory batteries and power in a blackout. Hybrid is moderate cost and offers power in a blackout. This slide provides a side-by-side comparison, highlighting the key differences in utility connection, battery storage, blackout power, system sizing complexity, and relative cost. Engineering considerations include electrical safety measures like anti-islanding and surge protection, as well as critical battery integration details such as life PO4 versus lead-acid chemistry and thermal management. The selection decision matrix helps different stakeholders. Homeowners prioritize ROI or critical backup. Electricians deal with complex wiring. Engineers focus on precise autonomy calculations for off-grid. Payback trend analysis shows that on-grid systems typically achieve payback in 4 to 6 years. Hybrid systems, due to battery costs, typically take 8 to 10 years. So which is better? The answer depends entirely on your goal, whether you prioritize return on investment, independence from the utility, or resilience during outages.